guys, so we are in Whole Foods. I had to make a quick Whole Foods run, so I thought as usual I would bring you guys with me. Y'all know I do try to eat better. I do try to eat a little healthier, and sometimes I will come in here just to see what I can see that's new. And I've had something like this before, and they were really, really good. Got chicken and maple, no sugar chicken and herbs. I bet these are good. I had something like this, and I bet you they are good, and they are on sale. Get back over here. I came to get a ginger shot. So let's see. Have he ordered it yet? You ordered it yet, babe?
Hmm?
You ordered it yet?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, this she's making right now.
What you ordered?
Ginger, 2 ounce.
Okay, so she's getting ready to make a ginger shot. That's wheatgrass right there. Did you order ginger or wheatgrass?
Ginger.
Okay. So good for so many things, health benefits. So we're going to allow y'all to watch us take the ginger shot. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Listen, I had to cut the video short. After I took that ginger shot, I couldn't talk no more. Thank you for watching.